You're excited about the potential of AI to make money, especially with a faceless YouTube channel, right? But here's the biggest hurdle most beginners face: picking the wrong niche. A bad niche can mean slow growth, low views, and ultimately, a channel that never takes off. But choose the right one, and you found your digital goldmine, ready for exponential growth. In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step framework to identify profitable, low competition, and sustainable AI-powered faceless YouTube niches. This isn't just about what's popular, it's about finding your unique spot where AI can truly give you an edge. Let's dig in. So why is niching down so crucial? Many people think broader is better. I'll cover all of AI news, or I'll do general tech reviews. But for a new channel, that's a recipe for getting lost in the noise. Imagine trying to compete with channels that have millions of subscribers and daily uploads. Instead, we focus on specificity, finding a niche within a niche. This isn't about limiting yourself, it's about targeting. When you niche down, you're easier to find, your audience is more dedicated, and your channel becomes a go-to resource for a very specific need. This means less competition in search results, highly engaged viewers, and ultimately, easier monetization with tailored products and sponsorships. Now, how do we find this goldmine niche? We're going to use a 3-step AI-assisted framework. Step 1, brainstorm your interests plus AI. Start with what you genuinely find interesting. What topics could you talk about for hours? What problems do you enjoy solving? Don't worry if it's not directly AI-related yet. Once you have a few core interests, this is where AI comes in. Go to an AI chatbot like ChatGPT or Claude. Give it your interest and ask it to brainstorm niche ideas where AI could apply. For example, if you love gardening, ask, brainstorm 10 niche YouTube channel ideas about gardening where AI tools could be used for content creation or audience value. Or if you're into productivity, suggest 5 specific AI productivity hack niches for small business owners. AI can help you uncover angles you never considered. Step 2, validate demand and low competition. This is where we confirm if your brainstormed niche is actually a goldmine. You need to make sure people are searching for your topic, but also that it's not already saturated with giant channels. We're looking for that sweet spot. High demand, manageable competition. First, use YouTube's own search bar. Start typing keywords related to your niche and see what auto-suggests. Look at the related searches too. Then, head over to Google Trends to see if interest in your keywords is growing or declining over time. For deeper analysis, use free browser extensions for YouTube like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. These tools can show you search volume and competition scores for specific keywords. And here's another AI trick. Once you've identified potential competitors, ask your AI chatbot to analyze the top 5 channels in niche name and identify content gaps or areas they miss. This can pinpoint underserved topics within your chosen niche. Step 3, consider monetization potential. While YouTube ad revenue grows with views, true goldmine niches often have diverse income streams. Think beyond just ads. Some niches naturally lend themselves to higher value affiliate products, digital products, or direct sponsorships. For example, a channel about AI tools for graphic designers could easily promote software, courses, or sell custom brush packs. You can even use AI to brainstorm these ideas. Ask your AI, what are 5 potential digital products or affiliate opportunities for a YouTube channel focused on your chosen niche? This ensures your efforts can translate into significant income. So, to recap, brainstorm your interests with AI, validate demand and competition using YouTube, Google Trends, and AI analysis, and finally, ensure strong monetization potential. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to discovering your perfect AI-powered, faceless YouTube niche, your digital goldmine. What niche are you thinking of starting your AI-powered faceless channel in? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to Bot Business Tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We'll be diving into the essential tools you need to create high-quality, engaging faceless AI videos, many of them free or low cost.